Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the debate between electric vehicles and petrol-diesel cars. Which one is better for you? Stick around to find out as we compare them across key factors. Let's jump right in. First, let's start by breaking down the basics. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are powered by electricity stored in batteries. On the other hand, petrol and diesel vehicles rely on internal combustion engines, running on fossil fuels like petrol or diesel. Both vehicle types have come a long way, but which one is more suited for you in 2024? Let's talk numbers. The initial cost of an EV is generally higher than traditional vehicles due to the battery. However, running an EV is much cheaper. Charging an electric car costs far less than filling up at the pump. Not to mention, EVs typically have fewer moving parts, which means lower maintenance costs. But don't forget, petrol and diesel cars can be cheaper to buy up front and easier to find in the used market. One of the biggest reasons people switch to EVs is the environment. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, which is great for reducing pollution and fighting climate change. Meanwhile, petrol and diesel vehicles emit harmful gases like CO2, which contribute to global warming. That said, it's important to consider how the electricity used to charge EVs is produced. Clean energy is key. Section 4, Performance and Range. Host. Now, when it comes to performance, EVs are known for their instant torque and quick acceleration. No lag, just power. But here's the catch: range anxiety. Electric cars are still limited by their range, especially if you're planning long road trips. Petrol and diesel cars, on the other hand, can travel longer distances on a single tank, and refueling takes only a few minutes, compared to the longer charging times of EVs. Section 5, Convenience and Infrastructure. Charging stations are growing in number. Petrol stations are still far more common and convenient, especially in remote areas. Charging infrastructure is improving, but it's not quite as widespread as gas stations yet. If you're in a city with plenty of chargers, EVs are more convenient. But for rural areas, petrol and diesel might still be king. Section 6, Long-Term Future Outlook. Host. So, what does the future hold? Many governments are pushing for greener transport, with regulations on emissions tightening. It's likely we'll see more electric vehicles on the roads and fewer petrol-diesel cars in the coming decades. And with more incentives for buying electric, it could be a smart investment long-term. Conclusion. Host. At the end of the day, the choice between an EV and a petrol or diesel car depends on your needs. If you're looking for something eco-friendly with lower running costs and you're okay with a little extra planning for charging, an EV could be perfect for you. But if you need convenience, longer range, and a cheaper initial investment, petrol or diesel might still be the better option. What do you think? Are you Team EV or Team Petrol? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.